in photosynthesis. The next one are photosynthetic pigments. So here, for trapping the solar energy, there some pigments are being utilized. Those are called as the photosynthetic pigments. These pigments are present in the thylakoid membrane, and these pigments account for 5 to 8% of dry weight of the chloroplast, and these are being present inside the thylakoid membrane. Here there are different types of photosynthetic pigments are there. Some are having primary role, and some are helping in the main photosynthetic pigments. So there are different types of photosynthetic pigments are there. Of them, one is chlorophyll molecules. So chlorophyll is a green colored pigment which is present in the thylakoid membrane, and there are actually 5 types of chlorophylls are there. Those are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D and chlorophyll E. So likewise, apart from this one, there are other type of pigments are also there. Those are called as carotenes and xanthophylls. So these two are combinedly called as carotenoids. And apart from that one, there are some other pigments are there. Those are called as phycobilins. Likewise, there are 3 categories of photosynthetic pigments are there in different types of plants. One is chlorophyll molecules, second one is carotenoids, and third one are the phycobilins. So these phycobilins are considered to be the exclusive algal pigments, because these are present only in the algal members but not in any other green plants. So let us start with the first one, the chlorophyll molecules. Chlorophyll is considered to be the green pigment, and it is a fat soluble and water insoluble lipid molecule. And it is considered to be having 5 types. Of them, chlorophyll A is considered to be the main photosynthetic pigment, and this is considered as a universal photosynthetic pigments also. Why? Because it is present in all green plants, including algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and also in the angiosperms. That's why we consider it as a universal photosynthetic pigment. And this chlorophyll A is differing from the chlorophyll B, so which is present in higher plants and also in some green organisms also. Then apart from this chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, there are some other are there. Those are chlorophyll C. Chlorophyll C is present in brown algae, that is Phaeophyceae members. Apart from this one, chlorophyll D is there, which is present in the red algae, that is Rhodophyceae members. Then chlorophyll E is present in xanthophyceae members. So likewise, these are 5 types of chlorophyll molecules are there. Chlorophyll C, D and E, these are restricted to the algal members only. But whereas here chlorophyll A and D are present in higher plants like in angiosperms. So likewise here the 5 types of chlorophyll molecules are there. So let us discuss the structure of chlorophyll A and how it is differing from chlorophyll B molecule.